In this video, I will show you how to create Instagram account. This should be quite a quick and easy tutorial, but before we continue, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. Now, to go ahead and create an Instagram account, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually download the Instagram app onto your device. So if you're on iPhone, like myself, what you want to do is open up the App Store. If you're on Android, of course, that's going to be the Play Store. Then what you can do is use the search box to search for Instagram. So I've actually already downloaded Instagram, but to download the app, you come onto the app page, and instead of saying open, it's going to say download or get. So you just want to press onto that and download Instagram first of all. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up Instagram on your device. Once Instagram has loaded through, you're going to be taken to a screen similar to this. Now, you can see in my case, I've already got some profiles logged in, but for yourself, you're going to see an option to create new account. So what you want to do is give that a press. First of all, it's going to ask you to enter the mobile number on which you can be contacted. So this is private, no one can see this on your profile, but it's mainly used for security and login purposes. Alternatively, what you can do is sign up with an email address. So if you look underneath, you've got the button here, sign up with email address. So you can press onto that and enter their email address. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to sign up with my email address. So what I'm going to do is sign up with the Tech Guide email. Once that's done, come and click onto the blue next button underneath. And what's going to happen is a 6-digit code is going to be sent to either your email address or phone number, depending on which method you chose to sign up with. For myself, of course, that's going to be my email. So what I'm going to do is get that code and put that into the box here. And once you've put your code in, just come and press the next button. On the next screen, it's going to ask you to create a password. So this needs to be at least 6 letters or numbers, and it should be something, of course, that's not easy to guess. Once that's done, come and press next underneath. Then it's going to ask if you'd like to save your login info. Which just means that you won't need to enter it on your devices next time that you log in. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to choose not to save my login info. Next, it's going to ask for your date of birth. So you just want to enter that in on the next screen. And what you need to do is add your name, just so that friends can find you. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Guide, just like so. Then it's going to ask you to create a username. They do give you a suggested username, but of course you can change this if you want to. So I'm going to take the numbers off the end. If the username is available, you're going to see a green tick. If not, it's going to be a red cross and you're going to have to try something else. So once you've done that, press next underneath. Then all you need to do is agree to Instagram's terms and policies, which you can read more by clicking the blue highlighted words, which are going to take you to things like the privacy policy, cookies policy, and so on and so forth. I've already read these myself, but of course you can read that if you want to, and then come down and press the blue I agree button. What's going to happen now is going to ask to add a profile picture, just so that your friends know it's you, and of course everyone will be able to see your picture. You don't have to do this straight away, you can skip this step by pressing skip at the bottom, and as you can see, we're now going to get a message saying welcome to Instagram, and it's going to ask if you want to allow access to your contacts to make it easier to find your friends on Instagram. Again, this is optional, you don't have to do this straight away, you can just click skip, and I'm just going to skip through these final bits about remembering your login info, and now it's going to ask to try following 5+ people. So you can search for people, or you can choose the recommended people from here. So I'm just going to choose these recommended people, just like so, then click follow. As you can see, it says follow request sent, and then we'll be taken to our homepage for Instagram. So as you can see, your Instagram account should now all be set up ready to go, and that is a quick tutorial on how to create Instagram account. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.